Bog gardens, with their marshy allure and distinctive plant life, offer a captivating alternative to traditional gardens. These unique habitats, characterized by waterlogged soil and acidic conditions, provide an ideal environment for a variety of fascinating plant species. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the art of cultivating bog gardens, from selecting the right plants to creating the perfect waterlogged haven for these botanical wonders. Understanding bog gardens. Bog gardens are artificially created wetland areas designed to mimic the natural conditions of bog ecosystems. Unlike typical gardens, bog gardens maintain consistently moist to waterlogged soil, often featuring acidic pH levels. This specialized environment allows for the cultivation of plants that thrive in these conditions, creating a habitat that is both visually stunning and ecologically beneficial. Choosing the right location. Selecting an appropriate location is the first step in creating a successful bog garden. Choose an area that receives partial to full sunlight, as many bog plants thrive in these conditions. Ensure the location has a water source nearby for easy maintenance, and that the ground is level to prevent uneven water distribution. Additionally, consider the size of your bog garden, as larger areas offer more flexibility for diverse plantings, creating waterlogged conditions. One of the defining characteristics of bog gardens is their consistently moist to waterlogged soil. Achieve this by selecting a site with poor drainage, or for a more controlled approach, by lining the planting area with impermeable materials such as pond liners. This prevents excess water from draining away, creating the ideal conditions for bog-loving plants. Selecting bog-friendly plants. The key to a thriving bog garden lies in choosing plants that are well-suited to waterlogged conditions. Popular choices include pitcher plants, Sarracenia, sundews, drosera, bogbean, Menanthes trifoliata, and various species of iris and ferns. These plants have adapted to thrive in low-nutrient, acidic soils commonly found in bog environments. Soil composition and amendments. Bog plants prefer acidic soils with low nutrient levels. Create the right soil composition by using a mix of peat moss, sand, and perlite. These components provide proper aeration and drainage, while maintaining the acidity necessary for the health of bog-loving plants. Avoid using traditional potting soils, as they may contain fertilizers that can be harmful to these unique species. Maintenance and care. Bog gardens require consistent care to maintain their unique ecosystem. Regularly monitor water levels, ensuring that the soil remains consistently moist. Mulching with materials like pine needles or shredded leaves helps retain moisture and contributes to the acidic environment. Prune dead or yellowing plant material and divide overcrowded plants to promote healthy growth. Ecological benefits and conservation. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, bog gardens contribute to ecological conservation. Many plants that thrive in bog conditions are native species that support local biodiversity. By cultivating these unique habitats, gardeners can contribute to the preservation of rare and endangered plant species, fostering a greater appreciation for the importance of wetland ecosystems. Conclusion. Cultivating a bog garden is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to create a unique, waterlogged haven for plants that thrive in these specialized conditions. From selecting the right location and creating waterlogged conditions, to choosing the perfect plants and providing ongoing care, a well-maintained bog garden can be a visually stunning and ecologically beneficial addition to your gardening repertoire. Embark on this wetland adventure and witness the beauty and diversity that flourish in the harmony of a carefully cultivated bog garden.